Okay guys, I have this 4 foot by 10-inch wide board, and I'm going to be painting it with Republic Red, and I'm going to be giving it 2 coats. I am using my S50 brush, and you can grab any of these paints and brushes at chalkitupfancy.com. Once my second coat was dry, I grabbed this Valentine lace table runner from Hobby Lobby for $5.99 with 40% off. Guys, Hobby Lobby almost every holiday has a runner, and many times they are lace. I am now taping. Me and Jamie are doing this together. The lace table runner to the board so it doesn't shift on us. Each of us is grabbing a spackle knife and applying joint compound all over the surface of the lace. Once you get your application on, you're going to take a second clean spackle knife and you're going to go and pick up all the excess joint compound. Then you're going to lift up your table runner and you get this wonderful pattern of that lace all over your board. We're very happy with the way it came out. It gave us the texture and revealed the Republic Red as we wished. So now I grabbed these cardboard style letters from Hobby Lobby. They're about $1.59 each, and I'm painting them black. Once these are dried, we just hot glued them to the board. $1.99. I took a little white with an art brush and just dry brushed a little of a white texture all over the letters just to give some interest. And there you go. We have a really cute Valentine's porch sign that says love. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please go to YouTube and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Again, you can get these products at chalkitupfancy.com.